Hello world, today is Wednesday, June 17th, 2026. It's 5:29 p.m. and this is another vlog, a 10 minutes raw unedited talk about what is top of mind. This is a public journal. I'm about to go to the gym. It's right after this, and I've been at the co-working space and this vlog, I'm in these vlogs, I'm continuing documenting, recording, talking, exploring life and what I'm working on and thoughts. So this is a really beautiful space. So what's top of mind? Like what I want to talk about is capture like the most important thing that I want to capture here, like in the day. Today what I've been working on is, so I just got to the co-working space like 10 a.m. and had like a quick breakfast, and I've been just locked in working on Luminalog iOS app in the cloud terminal, and that's been my whole day. And now it's 5:30, and it's like analyzing and noticing how you work, and like coaching yourself to like work, to get something done, to create something. Like this space, this process is everything, and it's the most important thing about how you use your time. That's like the most important thing, how you use your time. And the vlogs here are a tool for me to like also like focus on that. Like I recognize that like this space of the vlog is a valuable space for me to unpack, explore, analyze, become aware of the work process of what I'm doing, of how I'm spending my time. And that allows me to get better, improve, learn, overcome challenges, overcome blocks. And so today I've been focused like the iOS app, Luminalog, and a couple of things. One thing is AWS account for storage of files, the S3 bucket. I'm going through a process where the account was suspended because of something, and now I'm getting it reactivated. And so that was what I did today, like going through the support chat and going through that. And the second thing I've been working on is like setting up the subscriptions in the App Store Connect and Revenue Cat. The subscriptions for the Pro account and the credits for the voice call, and a couple UI updates, and updating like the profile where you have a biography with a limit on the words that you use there, and having the biography, your bio, be included in the system prompt of the AI LLM of the conversation. That was another thing. And then another thing is researching about how I can visualize the embedding space. inside the app in like 3D. And that is similar to like in Obsidian you have a 3D visualization of all of your data. I'm exploring what it would look like and what it would take to have like 3D visualizations of all your embedding space of all your journals. I said that 3 times, journals, because that's what it is, the embedding space. So that's what I've been doing today. That's my vlog. And the coaching part about it is like feeling good that like it doesn't matter how fast you're going, it just matters that you're moving forward. And for me, I spent a lot of time also today like researching about like rejection sensitive dysphoria and how like CBT can be like cognitive behavioral therapy can be used, and what like rejection sensitive dysphoria is about and how it works. And to me that's like a topic that's just so informative, interesting, because why? Because it helps me get a bit of a more understanding about a pattern that I notice, and in myself. After like learning more about rejection sensitive dysphoria and about ADHD and what that is like, that has helped me a lot contextualize, understand my own life, my own patterns. I'm not gonna say personality, I'm not gonna say character, I'm not gonna say identity, because those are things that are not correct because these are really patterns that you have of feeling and being. And so like putting words onto them helps you like control them and get more insight. So that's part of what I've been doing today. Yeah, and the most important thing I really want to talk about more is like, again, being clear about like what Luminalog can do, and like, or just like building a really nice app for this, like, in that like I actually am really motivated on this, and I have this like feeling of like clarity, like this is like something I believe in, that I want to put my time and energy in, and want to make it as good as it can be, and that it will, and it does, and it is really something big, and it's valuable, and it takes time, like, and it takes a lot of these days like today and days like yesterday where I'm just on my laptop talking to Claude Code, and yes, I can improve my productivity through setting up loops and agent harnesses and automating things. At the same time, it's myself as the bottleneck, and being clear about what is the value here, and like reminding myself about like the motivation, and the motivation here and like the value here that I see is like the value of a notebook as a tool for your own personal growth, taking that into a digital form as a tool, like that excites me by having a tool that you are very intimate with, that it's very very simple to use, and that you use all the time, and just like, and believing that this is really worthwhile, that it's really valuable, and the joy, the benefit, the positive impact that it can have, and I believe it will have, is that motivation for me to like keep going, and believing that this is a tool for learning. It's a tool for learning and lifelong learning and self-education, self-directed learning, and that like I'm excited about like making that happen, and using it and telling people about it, and making my life be all about this. So okay, over 10 minutes, it's 11:45, so I will end it here, but I'm going to go to the gym, get there by 6 p.m. and work out. And so also like smoked a pack of cigarettes today, which is terrible. I promised myself I would not smoke, but ending it here. So yeah, I'm just like brain dumping, documenting my life here. So vlog, welcome to my vlog, and thank you for listening and watching. And as always, I'm sending you good thoughts, frequencies, and vibrations, because every thought matters. May you be free from suffering.